Good night. For this activity, the song you choose is called Alone by Alan Walker. I'm going to sing a part.
Lost in your mind. I wanna know, am I losing my mind? Never let me go. If this night is not forever, at least we are together. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not alone. Anywhere, whenever, apart but still together. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not alone.
Okay, will my analysis regarding the song in this following. Alone is sung by the Norwegian record producer Alan Walker. Was published commercially for digital download on 2 December. Alone is one of the best known songs by Alan Walker. Representing this song for me is that sometimes in our life we feel alone. We don't have any to support use in any conflict or problem. We are faced, or however, there is always some who support you. Either a family member or friend or that person is so special it what may you see that we are not really alone and must move forward, no matter what happens. This song conveys we feeling and sadness, loneliness, and depression. In cases young people undergoing a deep sadness that don't know name, and no and unknown enemy that little by little is ending his joy and destroy their ability to face up to the reality. Alone is a song that invites the tenor to have constantly solid. Today there is significant love and leadership and the adult are also disoriented. Family break and fall out the pillar of youth. Now, for the producer Alan Walker, Alone is a song that speaks of unity and that exalts the feeling and recognition of solidarity. He says the start making music in, in alone, not because I want to be alone, but to create some time that others will enjoy with me. Thanks.